unusual is about to happen. The trees sway gently and the birds sing their songs as the animals move their familiar world. But in a small corner, a lion once proud and strong lies injured and struggling. The mighty creature, now weak and in pain, looks around hoping for help. The other animals who usually fear the lion slowly come closer, unsure of what to do. As the lion watches them, the forest holds its breath, waiting to see how these animals will react to one of the most powerful creatures now in need. The story is about to unfold, and the animals will have to decide whether to help or turn away. The forest went quiet as everyone looked at Mouse, the smallest of them all. Mouse stepped forward, his tiny feet moving quickly towards the lion. The lion's big eyes watched the mouse as it got onto his paw. With care, the mouse pulled out the thorn. From that day on, the lion and the mouse became the best of friends. The lion, once feared, became a kind protector. The mouse, once ignored, became a hero. The forest went back to its normal life, but the story of the lion and the mouse was never forgotten. It became a reminder to everyone that even the smallest can make a big difference.
Always remember, courage and compassion are not measured by size or strength, but in the willingness to act when it matters most.